Good morning, everyone. So yesterday was really a good day for the market. Sensex closed 160 point in positive. Nifty was 1% up. In last 3 days itself, Nifty has covered round about 3%. From our reckoning, this is really a very good comeback. Majorly, this momentum, positive momentum, has gained basically due to some expectation on rate cut on in the coming RBI policy. So moving to now some global news. Yesterday, some major events were from Europe, where ECB maintained its 0.5 policy rates, and also Bank of England also have kept its policy rate at its current level. Yeah, so that has got reflected in the European stock prices yesterday. In the US, unemployment numbers had come below the expectation, because of which even the US markets were positive yesterday. Asia has opened in positive based on the yesterday night's US market closed. So overall, market seems to be doing good. At least for today, India is also expected to remain on a positive note, not drastically as what we saw in last 3 days, but it will be like stable at the current level. To talk about some stock specific news, yesterday disinvestment date for sale has been announced. Further disinvestment date has been announced, like it's 20 March, and OFS price for RCF has been announced to rupees 45. Yesterday closing price of RCF was 44, so they have kept the OFS price to the current levels. Japan Airways has shown some interest in SpiceJet or Go Air for some stake purchase. So that's not a confirmed news as yet, but yeah, it can be a positive news for SpiceJet if it does happen. Airport Authority of India has asked Kingfisher Airlines to vacate all their offices located within within airports. So that is a really a bad news, and and more bad news are coming in recent past for Kingfisher, which is now actually pulled that stock below its face value, that is 10 rupees. So that's all for today. We think that the market will be sideways with a slight with a positive bias for today. Thank you.